Hey, yo, Tyrell. Fucking no, we're filming this shit, man.
Eat that road race. You going? What the fuck is you going? What the fuck? You goddamn tighten the fuck up.
Do you want to invest but don't know where to start?
Give me a second, right? Hold on. Before we wrap me up right fast, I'm gonna try it one more time. One more time? You know, what are you doing, a fella's record or a ladies record?
Just him by himself? Just him by himself?
Might know something, bro. You might know something.
That's an ass take Joe.
You might know something. It knocks me right off from the feet. It's why I gotta be
What the fuck?
Hey.
What the hell was that? What the heck? He just run the light, huh? Oh, he just run that light. Damn, the police ain't even. Police just got here. Motherfucker.
Arriving at address 1899, and right.
What? God damn, man, really?
Don't know, man. You got your driver's license on you?
Just letting know my gun right though.
Okay, yeah, just don't touch the gun. You're good. Appreciate it. I stopped at your tail lights out.
Yeah, my bug.
Okay, yeah. Your tag cover. You ever stop at a tag cover before too?
No,
Okay. Usually it's supposed to be transparent. It was pretty shaded.
I ain't cleaned it.
Gotcha. All right, just sit tight.
All right.
Here you go.
Uh-huh.
Just a warning for the tail light, but get it fixed. You can keep you in the south for it. They'll give you one.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Drive safe.
Starting route to Computer Advantage. Make a U-turn and proceed to Ebenezer Church Road, then bear right. Bear right onto Ebenezer Church Road, then turn.
I want to get away. Yeah.
Like a rat trapped in a maze, every wall that I knock down is just a wall
What
that
the
I
hell?
replace. I'm in a race against myself.
The kids. What if right now this is a situation where Rome is moving to South Carolina so he can establish himself,
Right.
so he can provide for the kids, you know, in the future. This might not be the time for the kids to come with him down to South Carolina because it may not be the best thing for them at the moment.
Samantha on the last
Yeah, and then
Good morning, DJ MV, Charlemagne, and just hilarious.
Peace.
And I'm like, well, you know, I got the call my dad had missing 24 hours, and I had to get here. When I got here, he passed, and then my mom got sick, and he didn't understand. He told my son, "Your mom just don't want you to be with me. She just mad." Like, I'm like, that's not it. And then I'm like, can you take care of her? And he was like, Not right now,
What?
but I got my mom. That's not his mom. So I was blamed for like 2 years. But eventually we ended up co-parenting. It ended up working out. And he goes every summer and every break. But it was hard at first.
Okay. Well, thank you, Samantha. I'm glad you're working.
But at the end of the day, you know, I'm still a bad person.
You still think people look at you as a bad person?
How you doing? Can you really win
For
that?
sure. Like, when he
How you
told
doing,
the
sir?
story, I
I'm
didn't
from
think
one of the grand place. My reason I stopped you, because I know it's coming down the road down there, your left brake light's completely out. Were you aware of that?
Yeah, bulb keep going out.
Okay. You have your driver's license on you?
Yeah. Just let you know my gun in here.
That's fine. Just don't grab it. We'll be good. All right. So 809 Murphy?
Correct.
All right. Just sit tight for me. I'll be right back with you.
All
Okay?
right. Yeah.
Here's your driver's license back. Short your warning today. Okay, no court date, fine, pay anything. Just one extra lot.
Okay. All right.
All right. You have a safe day.
You too.
Probably got closed door. So you got closed door. Bro. You got closed door.
Never wait till that man move over there.
I was finna put it in reverse. He might still washing the tie. Oh, I thought he was washing the car at first.
And I feel like another thing, like with the females, is like, you know, like, not all of them,
Continue
a lot
along
of
2
them will
miles,
take, you know,
then
like,
turn right on Morgan
like,
Street.
if you don't have
Lights or whatever it is. They better not send it back to y'all messed up. Like I said, I got I got it. No, okay. What I told you, he said Wednesday, Thursday.
Right back over to the policeman's car.
Damn, baby. This shit, dog. Man, the hell out that stop sign. How both of y'all gonna go? Still arguing? Been arguing today, man. They sitting too close to get all that damn hard. Man, they arguing, but shit. Probably smell each other's breath every time they talk. They got a bikini on, huh? They got a whole, hold on, wait a fucking minute. That bitch got a bikini on. She ain't got no clothes on, bro.
It's not a young person spasm either, you know, where you kick 3 times and everything's okay. No. It's an old person spasm where you kick 3 times.
Man, you see through her pants.
You like. Get to the last number, screw up. The British.
Listen, they respond. God damn.
When nobody's there, enough happy and unmade, flat out on the floor.
Sheesh.
When you think I loved you, all I can, I'm gonna love you more. And lay by my side, I've got to be touching you. Let me rub your time.
Don't go that way.